Hey gorgeous, smoky eyes are so iconic. They make your eyes pop and give you instant glam. Best part? Anyone can rock a smoky eye. We're gonna do a look that's perfect for a night out. Ready to get started? I remember my first time trying a smoky eye. I thought it would be super hard, but it's all about blending. Don't be scared to experiment. We're gonna have fun with this. Before any makeup, we gotta prep our skin. Cleanse your face with a gentle cleanser. Next, use a lightweight moisturizer. This creates a smooth canvas for our makeup. For oily skin, try a gel moisturizer. Dry skin loves a cream moisturizer. And for sensitive skin, a fragrance-free option is best. Now for the fun part, makeup. First, eyeshadow primer. This makes our eyeshadow last all night long. Apply a thin layer over your eyelids from lash line to brow bone. My favorite primer is the Urban Decay Primer Potion. It comes in different finishes, but the original formula works wonders. Time for eyeshadow. We'll use 3 shades, light, medium, and dark. Start with the light shade all over your eyelid, then apply the medium shade to your crease and blend it upwards. Now the star of the show, the dark shade, apply it to your outer corner and blend it inwards, following the natural curve of your eye. Remember, blending is key. For extra drama, apply black eyeliner to your upper lash line. You can wing it out or keep it simple. Next, curl your lashes and apply mascara. 2 coats are perfect for a night out. For a balanced look, keep your lips neutral. A nude lipstick or gloss would be perfect. And there you have it, your effortless smoky eye for a night to remember. What are your go-to products for a smoky eye? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I love hearing from you guys.